Hello everyone, I am Piyush Wairale. So in this video we are going to discuss about question number 16 of GATE D26 paper. Simple question for 1 mark here. Okay. So you can see we have the Python code. So here we have one function. We have defined the function append to list. So it will take two parameters val comma list. And you can see list equals to what? We have an empty list here, right? So this parameters have a default value empty list here. Okay, now see, you can see what we are doing, list dot append. So whatever the value we have in the function input, we are going to append that into a list, and then we are going to return the list here. Okay, now I hope everyone is aware about how append function works. Let's say for example I have the L1 having element 2 comma 3 comma 4. If I say L1 dot append 5, if I say L1 dot append 5, now how it works, it is going to add the element at the last here. So you can see L1 will become like this 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, so from the right side it is going to add the element into a list here. This is how append function works, and remember this will take element as an input. Okay, so this will take element as the input, not the list, because for list we have something called extend function here. If I say L1 dot extend, if I say L1 dot extend 5, so what will happen here? Can anyone tell me? So this will throw an error. This will throw an error because this will take list as an input. Okay, so this will take list as an input here. So if I say L1 dot extend in square bracket 5 here, so in that case what we are doing, we are extending this particular list here. So L1 will become like this. So 2 comma 3 comma 4, then 5 here. Okay, so here we are not appending the list. Okay, here we are appending the element. If I say L1 dot append, then here if I put in square bracket 5 here, so output will be a what, like this. L1 will be like this 2 comma 3 comma 4, then fourth element will be a list here, like this. Okay, so this will consider this as an element here, but in the case of extend function this must be a list only. Okay, so input is basically a list here. In the case of append function, input is basically element. So we have discussed this about append and extend and all the different types of function in the course. You can simply check out our video here. Okay, now let's talk about this particular question here. So it is going to return what, this particular list. Now first here we have a print statement, append to list 1. So we are going to take 1 as the input. So val equals to 1, and by default here we have a list as an empty list here, right? So what will be the output of the first print statement? Simple 1 here, because you can see we are going to append the 1 into a list, and initially list is basically empty. Okay, now see, we are going to return the list. So now at this particular point, the value of list is basically a 1. Now see what is happening. In the next statement, in the next line, here we have print append to list 2. Now we are going to call this function again here, but the value is 2. And now we have the default list, in that we already have 1 here. So now we are going to append 2 into the particular list. The output will be a what? 1 comma 2 here, like this. Now at this particular point we have lst equals to 1 comma 2, because it is going to return this particular list. Now see, at line number 3 you can see here we have print append to list 3 comma, then here we have empty list as an input here. So this will get overwrite here. This particular default list will get overwrite here by the empty list here. Okay, so now we are going to add the element 3 into an empty list. So output will be a what? 3 only. Okay, I hope you understand what we have discussed in this particular case. Okay, first you should know the working of append function and extend function here, like this. Okay, and you can see the output here. In the first print statement we are going to insert the, or we can append 1 here in the list. In the next print statement we are going to use the same default list, and we are going to add the 2 into the particular list. You can see in the third print statement what is happening here, we already have the empty list as an input. Okay, so this is going to get override this particular default list here. So right? So now here we have an empty list, and then we are going to append the element 3. So that's why in the output we got 3 here. Okay, I hope you understand the video solution of this particular question. Correct answer is option number B here. Simple question for 1 mark. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you.